Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Gemini. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right after this general energy, guys, so you can stay tuned for that. So first, let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. We have Six of Pentacles, the Fool in reverse, and Seven of Cups. So in your situation, Gemini, in your work situation or in your relationship today, maybe you are someone who's really kind hearted, generous, and you are helping people, or people are helping you, and you are happy for how things are going today. Maybe you are seeing success in your work and you are happy with the way things are. You are simply dreaming and living in a fantasy world, having that wishful thinking in your situation, happy for how things are going, and you are living in your dreams, maybe fantasizing about this person and expecting beautiful things for you, for this love and for this relationship. So some kind of a positive energy, and you are simply happy with the way things are, but you need to be really careful today, guys, because you are not aware of the things in your reality. Maybe you are having a lot of dreams and you are only thinking about your dreams and goals, maybe your fantasies, and you are happy for this present situation, and you are not attentive enough of what is happening in your life. Maybe practically you are not thinking practically, so you are quite careless when you are making certain decisions for yourself in your relationship or in your work. So you need to be really careful, guys. Maybe if you have some important decisions to make, you should not think carelessly. You have to think twice before making that choice. And also, you are quite playful, or you are in a very happy mood. You just want to relax and enjoy today. And maybe you are having this happiness because of the way things are between you and this person you love. So you have joy, happiness, and lot of dreams, but you should not forget to be practical, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Gemini, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Queen of Cups. So with this card, it just means that this person you love, they are really caring, loving, and they are someone who can be trusted. Maybe if you were in doubts with this person you love, maybe you were in doubt, having some doubts about them, whether you can trust them or not, this person can be trusted, guys, and they are really honest, and they are devoted to you, and they are very caring and loving person. So that is what I see with this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Lovers. So with this card for your career situation, looks like things are pushing you towards something which you are really passionate about, and maybe you are collaborating with other people, maybe in your business, and you are moving towards some partnerships or collaborations in your business, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see with these cards, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch Deepika card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and first crystal. This is your second card and second crystal. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So this card is from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So let's see what is the guidance. So I will keep this card aside and we will see what is the card for y'all. The first card and the crystal, the guidance, Tiger Eye. So this is your crystal guidance, guys. I hope you can see the card here. I will leave the crystal here. So this crystal stands for positive intentions. So whatever we want to manifest in our life today, let it be our career situation or let it be our relationship, when we have positive intentions, it is going to work out in a positive way, guys. And just being interested in someone does not mean that we are going towards marriage or a deep commitment. So you need not have any fear towards knowing someone you are really interested in. Just maybe asking them out or just meeting up with that person does not mean anything great. You can just know them as a friend. Maybe you are having some kind of blocks in your mind. Maybe you have something blocking you from moving towards someone you are interested in. And this crystal guidance is not only having those dreams and fantasies, some wishful thinking. It stands for action. So you can ask them out, maybe spend time with this person you are interested in. And maybe if you are optimistic, if you have positive intentions towards this connection, it may work out well for you guys, and you will not feel sorry for knowing them or going out of the way, maybe taking this first step today in this relationship, today towards this person you are interested in. So with this card, the guidance is that maybe some of you all are just worried or something is holding you back from connecting to someone you are interested in. But you need not fear. You have to let go all your fears and you can move forward and you will not regret that you took this first step, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card and the second crystal. So let's see what is the card. It is Blue Beard, Taboos. So for those who chose this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you are maybe in a relationship with someone or you are having a friendship with someone, but you do not know them very well. Maybe they are hiding some secrets, and maybe if it is something small, it is not to worry, but this person may be dangerous. They want you to know only their better qualities, and they are hiding some things evil. Maybe they have evil intentions. And if you have people you're a soul family, maybe your friends or family members who are really concerned about your welfare, who are having positive intentions towards you, and you know them very well, you trust them very well. And if this person is suggesting you certain things, is advising you against this relationship or against this connection, you need to listen to it, guys, and you need to be curious about this person. Maybe if you do not have clarity about what are their intentions, you have to have curiosity, find out what is there in their mind. Maybe your curiosity may help you out of some difficult situation, guys. Maybe holding on to secrets is nothing bad, but if this relationship involves obedience or some kind of punishment, you need to take a step back, think, then make a right decision, guys, for you and for this relationship. Maybe it holds some hidden dangers. You have to be really careful, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.